I'm Fifi, and today we will be learning how to make toaster oven waffles. Doesn't that sound great, kids? First, you put your waffles in the toaster. Then you close the rack. And then you close the toaster. Then you put your setting of whatever setting you want to do. Then you press start. It may be different on other toasters, but on mine, that's the way you do it. Now, while we wait for our waffles to cook, let's do a little jig. Right now, while we're still waiting for our waffles to cook, I'm going to set up our maple syrup. Now, first I'm going to pour the maple syrup into a little cup. Only do enough that what you need. I'm doing for 2, so that should be about enough. I'm going to put my syrup away. Enjoy the view of the toaster while I'm gone. Okay, looks like our waffles are ready. You open the toaster, get out your waffles, and put them on the plate. Then you close the toaster. Now I'm going to bring these plates to the table. We'll be right back. This video was brought to you by Chef Tony Scarpati.
Hi, I'm Chef Tony Scarpati, Chapo con York, and I approve this message.
Looks like our table's set. Oops, let me get the maple syrup. You have just created the perfect breakfast meal for you and a friend. You can obviously do more, but it will take a longer time. Thanks for watching! This has been a Fifi S production.